Hello everyone. So this is a question from JEE Mains 2026, 6th April Shift 2. Consider the following reactions. Total number of electrons in the pi bonds and lone pair of electrons in the product X is. Okay. So we have this reaction sequence. We have to determine X. Okay. The chapters involved is biomolecules and hydrocarbons. So we are starting with this guy. Okay. And this is the open chain structure of glucose. So this is the open chain structure of glucose. Okay, and it is subjected to the first set of reagents, that is HI and heat. Okay, so we should know that glucose on reduction with HI and heat gives N-hexane. Okay, that is, with respect to reaction, I can write CHO CHOH 4 CH2OH, or you can simply write C6H12O6. Reacting with HI and heat will give us N-hexane, which is CH3, CH2, 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 and CH3. So this is our N-hexane. Then N-hexane is subjected to the second set of reagents, that is V2O5, 10 to 20 atmosphere, and 773 Kelvin. Okay, so we should know that when alkanes containing 6 carbon atoms, for example N-hexane, when heated to about 773 Kelvin under 10 to 20 atmosphere in presence of a catalyst consisting of oxides of vanadium, get converted into the corresponding aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. Okay, so therefore with respect to reaction I can write CH3, CH2, 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 and CH3. So this is my N-hexane. This in the presence of V2O5, 773 Kelvin, 10 to 20 atm. Okay, so it will lose a molecule of hydrogen to give us cyclohexane first, and the cyclohexane will further lose 3 molecules of hydrogen to give us benzene ultimately. Okay, then this benzene is subjected to the third set of reagents, that is benzoyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, benzoyl chloride is this guy, benzene ring connected to C double bond O Cl. Okay, so we should know that benzene reacts with acid chlorides. In our case, the acid chloride is benzoyl chloride, that is this guy, in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to form aromatic ketones. Okay, very important, which is our famous Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, so I will write it down. Benzene plus acid chlorides in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 will get aromatic ketones. Okay, and this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation, sorry, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, so with respect to reaction I can write benzene ring plus the acid chloride that we have taken is benzoyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and heat. So I will get benzene ring connected to C double bond O connected to one more benzene ring, and side product HCl. So what happened is one H from here is replaced by this group. That's why we get this guy, and this H combines with the Cl to give us HCl. Okay, and the name of this guy is benzophenol. Therefore, our X is benzophenol. Okay, it consists of 7 pi bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it has 7 pi bonds. And also there are 2 lone pairs on oxygen. So 1 and 2. 7 pi bonds and 2 lone pairs. Okay. So therefore there will be total 9 into 2, that is 18 electrons are present in pi bonds and lone pairs. Okay. So therefore the final answer, that is total number of electrons in the pi bonds and lone pairs of electrons in the product X, is 18. Okay. Thank you.